What's up YouTube people, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to install profile and device management in your iPhone iOS so that you can easily install third-party apps and give them trust certificate from this profile and device management option. Here you can see I have no profile device management system in my setting. So for this tutorial I am using iPhone 6s Plus and iOS 11.2.1. so let's do this. For installing profile and device management option in your iPhone, first you need to go to your Safari browser in your iPhone, then just type beta.apple.com. So here you can see two options, one is sign in and one is sign up. If you have no Apple ID, then just hit sign up, and if you have Apple ID, then just sign in. I have Apple ID, so I am clicking sign in. So just typing my password. Okay, sign in. Here you can see the two options, do not allow and allow. Just click allow option. Here you can find a Apple ID verification code, which is really important for this process. Just keep remember this code. So I submitting this code in my verification option. So in the above there are some options: Apple beta software program guide, enroll your device. Just hit enroll your device, scroll down. Here you can see one option, download profile. Just click download profile. Now allow. Okay, here you can see iOS beta software profile. Just hit install. You need to provide your iPhone password. Okay, here's some option. Just click install. Okay, you need to restart, so just click restart. It will take some time, don't worry. Okay, I think it's finished. Now go to settings, general, and boom, here you can see profile, iOS beta software profile. Here is my iOS beta software profile. You can also remove this profile, just clicking remove profile. So I hope you understand the process. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you have any comments, please comments below. If you want to get a more upcoming video of this channel about iPhone or Android, please hit subscribe button now, and thank you for watching.